Hello everyone, welcome to Business Education and Research. This video explains how the customers can have safe and secure online banking transactions. Safe and secure online banking transactions involve a combination of best practices, awareness, and technology to protect your financial information and assets. Create passwords that are a mix of letters, both upper and lowercase, numbers and special characters, as this complexity makes them much harder for cybercriminals to guess or crack using automated tools, thereby providing a stronger defense against unauthorized access to your accounts. Using different passwords for different accounts, especially your banking and financial accounts, is essential because it prevents a single security breach from compromising all your accounts, thereby significantly limiting the potential damage if malicious actors discover one password. Update your passwords periodically to reduce the risk of unauthorized access, as over time passwords can be compromised through various means such as data breaches or phishing attacks. Regular updates help ensure that even if a password is somehow obtained by malicious party, it will be rendered useless in a short period, thus safeguarding your sensitive information and accounts. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a text message or an application notification, in addition to your password. Always have updated antivirus and anti-malware software, as it plays a critical role in detecting and neutralizing a wide range of threats, from viruses and worms to more sophisticated malware that could compromise your online banking security. Keep your operating system and applications up to date to patch up security vulnerabilities, since developers regularly release updates to fix security holes that hackers could exploit to gain unauthorized access to your sensitive information. Use a strong password, PIN, or biometric lock for your device, as this serves as the first line of defense in protecting your personal data and banking information from unauthorized access in case your device is lost or stolen. Avoid conducting financial transactions over public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks, as they are often not secure and can be easily intercepted by cyber criminals. If you must access financial services in such environments, using a virtual private network (VPN) is crucial to encrypt your connection and protect your data from potential risk. Regularly check your bank statements and transactions history for any unauthorized transactions, as early detection of any irregular activity can be kept in quickly addressing potential fraud or security breaches, minimizing financial loss and facilitating prompt corrective action by your bank. Be cautious about emails or messages asking for sensitive information. Banks typically don't ask for personal details via these channels. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown or suspicious sources, as they often lead to phishing sites or contain malware that can be compromising your device security and potentially give your cybercriminals access to your sensitive banking information. Download banking application from official application stores only and ensure you are visiting the legitimate bank website. Check the URL carefully, as fraudulent applications and websites can mimic legitimate ones to steal your login, credentials, and personal information, leading to unauthorized access to your financial accounts. Always log out from the banking session once your transactions are completed, as this prevents anyone else who might use your device from gaining access to your account, especially if you are using a shared or public computer where the risk of unauthorized access is higher. Prefer a secure private Wi-Fi network for your transactions, as it ensures that your online banking data is transmitted over a network that is less vulnerable to interception. Avoid using public or shared computers for banking, since these devices may have compromised security or could be equipped with keyloggers or other malware that can capture your sensitive information. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and safe online practices, as this knowledge empowers you to recognize potential risks and adopt your security measures accordingly, ensuring you stay one step ahead of evolving tactics used by cyber criminals. Immediately report to your bank if you notice any suspicious activity in your account. Enable SMS or email notifications for transactions to keep track of account activity.